Today I'm doing something different. I'm not giving you a recipe or telling you details of how to make just one dish. I'm starting by showing you some stacking boxes that I have, and these are perfect for storing small amounts of ingredients in the fridge or freezer. Now comes the point. I'm going to show you what to do with them, ideas of what to keep in these little boxes, and from there you will be able to use your own imagination of what to make with them. You can choose whatever you want to do. If you see something that appeals to you and you just need one more ingredient, go out and buy it and make something that'll be a surprise if you have an extra guest.
These are called macarons. They're like meringues, only they're much more difficult to make, so I suggest you just go out and buy yourself a box. Next up is a small supermarket trolley, and it's full of chocolates. Here's something to make. These are chocolate-covered apricots, and all you need is a pack of soft, dried apricots and some melted dark chocolate. When you've melted the chocolate, you dip half the apricot inside and then arrange it on a piece of foil, wait till it gets cold, and they're ready to serve. What I had stored away was 2 slices of date bread. One of them is buttered. Actually, butter makes a lot of cakes even nicer, but you can do this with any cake you have. Just store some slices in a small box and it's enough to give somebody with a cup of coffee. But in my case, it's a cup of tea, and just look at the teapot with feet. Now here are some baby tomatoes. They're very good for making a really quick sauce. If you don't have those, of course, just use a tin of tomatoes. And the most important thing is to simmer it very slowly with a lot of seasoning, maybe a bit of fried onion, and that'll make it tasty. Serve the sauce with just spaghetti and grated cheese, or if you've got a vegetable, add something like a tender stem broccoli. Now for a couple of salads. All these little salad ingredients have been kept in the small boxes. For this one, I arranged some purple-tipped cos lettuce at the top and some red cabbage at the bottom, and took out of 2 boxes some chestnuts and some cannellini beans. Now for the last one, I made a large mound of mashed potato. That's just boiled potatoes, drained and mashed with a fork and mixed with milk and butter. This last picture shows the basis of a fish pie. It's smoked haddock, which has been lightly poached, and I put them in small individual containers, and then made a little sauce to go over it and topped it with some of the mashed potato. The rest, what was left, went, guess where? Into one of the little boxes.